Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you about a platform that you can use to learn AI skills and make real money. We will see people talking about AI tools, automation, content creation and online income, but most people don't actually know how to use these tools properly to make money. That's where Coursiv comes in. It is designed to teach you practical AI skills step by step so you can apply them in freelancing, content creation, business automation, affiliate marketing, and more. If you want to stop just watching AI trends and start using AI to grow your income, this is the something you need to see. Coursiv is more than just another online course platform. It is a structured system designed to help you turn AI knowledge into real world income. It is also focus on practical skills like using AI for content creation, automation, business tasks, improving productivity, and finding smart ways to monetize digital skills. With guided learning paths, step by step lessons, it will help you build confidence, apply what you learn immediately, and move from simply using AI tools to actually earning with them. So start now, and it is your 28-day AI challenge. So select here, I will select I work for myself. And after that, it will ask for some questions and you have to answer these carefully and it will generate course based on that. Now this is the personal summary that it has generated based on your questions and answers and your AI skills and your potential. So also click on continue. So master AI tools that can boost your income. Assist the world's top AI tools ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok and more all in one place. Get certified in AI and stand out from 90% of the people who still don't get it. Unlock 1000 plus proven AI prompts for productivity, business and creativity. Progress tracking to see your growth and build confidence with each lesson and more. So also click on continue. So spin now and get your discount. So I got 50%. So claim your discount. So this is your 28-day challenge is ready and it is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 and day 6 and get your plan and ready to learn AI skills and make money. So this is the dashboard of Coursiv. I have logged into this and you can see all these and these are the guides and these are some other challenges. 28-day AI challenge, junior AI challenge, 14-day AI side gigs challenge and a no code challenge. You can join any challenge and learn skills and make money. So you can see AI tools here and you can use all other tools within this Coursiv. So this is the best feature of this. Coursiv gives you simple courses based on AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Cloud, and Midjourney, or any other, based on goals like earning from AI images or affiliate marketing. It also has some daily challenges where you can learn one new tool at a time. You can use AI tools directly inside the app with ready-made prompts to get faster results. You can also earn certificates from your skills and stay motivated with your daily streaks to keep learning and growing. Now let me show you how these challenges works and how you can use to learn. So select on any challenge and these are some day 1, day 2, day 3. I have already completed day 1 and day 2 and you can click on any and it is saying the any AI skills or AI tool such as DeepSeek for day 1 and day 2 ChatGPT. It will be designed based on the answers you have provided when you sign up. So it will give you some content and you have to read these and it will also ask for questions and you have to answer. So if you are serious about building future-proof skills and creating new income opportunities with AI, then this is the right time to start learning the right way. Instead of guessing or randomly trying tools, follow a structured path, master practical AI skills, and apply them to earn smarter. Check out Coursiv through the link in the description. Start your AI journey today and take control of your financial growth. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.